The industrial year reports are in last year's module, so 2014-15, and it's CSS 0060 sandwich year. Scroll down and find Turnitin assignments under course tools, and you should see the industrial year report marked there. If you open it, there should be a list of all of the reports. You know which students you supervise, so only mark them. I can't find a way of linking the students to individual markers at the moment. I'm going to pull a fast one here and use a pretend report. When the report opens, you'll notice that the quick mark tool from the tool set at the bottom right is selected, and that enables you to just click on the document and type a comment. You can associate a comment with any of the tasks being assessed, so presentation, structure, or content here. Another possibility is to use the predefined comments. These are all available from Turnitin. I didn't put them in, but you can drag them into the document wherever makes sense, and it tells, gives the feedback underneath in the blue area. You can also associate those with a particular criteria. And if you want to add specific comments, you can click the edit button. I haven't done that here. Having marked up the document with general comments, we need to select the grades. So that's the right-hand button at the bottom. And I've set up presentation and structure and content as the three things we're marking here with grades. And you can see the comments and the requirements for each task appearing in the blue area at the bottom. The ones here are actually not the final version, but it gives you an idea. Then it's just a question of selecting the level that you want. So these are all actually out of 10, so 5.5, 6.5, and let's say 5.5 for content. You must remember to click Apply Rubric Percentage to Grade, and you'll see the number appear at the top of the screen there where it says 29 out of 50. The final thing to do is to add some overall summary comments using that little icon there, and that's again a free format text that will give an overview of the reasons why you gave the marks you did for the report as a whole. So this is a place to explain beyond the scorecard general guidelines why the student got the marks they did for the various tasks. I'd like to see a paragraph, maybe more if necessary, for each of the three tasks. You could leave audio comments, but I don't suggest we do that now. Don't forget to hit save. I think you can switch between the tools without losing the text, but you need to save it before you finally close the window and move to another student. Better safe than sorry. So that's pretty much it. Just a question of scrolling through the reports and reading them. It sometimes takes a few seconds to load, but there we are. As an aside, you can click the originality button at the top next to the GradeMark button, and it'll show you where it thinks any text matching has occurred and indeed where it's come from. On the right hand side, they're color coded according to where it believes that the text has come from. So then I can close the window and move on to the next student. There we go.